This is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. The tires on the Grand Caravan are a Yokohama 17-inch with fantastic tread. The driver door settings include power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. The Grand Caravan has leather and suede seating, and the driver has power seat and lumbar support. The steering wheel contains Bluetooth, voice recognition, odometer readings, and cruise control. And at the moment, the vehicle is at 28,787. The Grand Caravan has Uconnect touchscreen, which has AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also has navigation. The climate control consists of 3 zones. You have the driver, you have the passenger, then you have rear control for the back. Going into the back here, you have 2 second row seats, and then going to the third, you have 3 seats in the back. And for entertainment purposes, you have a DVD player, just pushing that, as well as the rear climate control. When you're done with the back seat here, you can either grab the handle or you can press this button right here. Automatically closes. In the trunk area, you can see that there's plenty of space with storage on the side, and you can also bring down the seats as the stow and go. The stow and go also includes the second row seating as well. And once you're done with the trunk area, there's a button right here. And that closes as well. And that is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you have any questions or you'd like to see the vehicle in person, you can come down to Tower, or you can call at 403-278-2020.